Now, through the years, madami ng former NPA members ang naglink sa Makabayan Block sa CPP-NPA. Partikular, sa recruitment, they know dahil ganoon sila na-recruit into the movement and they participated in the recruitment of others through the organizations associated sa party lists under Makabayan. Alms Gabin, former Education Department Secretary ng CPP-NPA Visayas Regional Party Committee. Sabi niya, Sara Elago, na dating congresswoman under Kabataan, does not keep her salary from Congress. Tumatanggap lang daw siya ng 3,000 pesos as allowance and the rest ng pork barrel goes collectively to the CPP-NPA. Jade Cinco na na-recruit as a member of Kabataan Party List and eventually naging Secretary General sa Samar. Sabi niya, si Elago in February of 2018, sinabi mismo sa kanya na siya ay dapat umangat sa armadong pakikibaka. Justin Kate Raka, a former UP student regent and NPA political officer, ano sabi niya? Si Raul Manuel ng Kabataan was a key NPA operative sa UP. In fact, ang sabi niya, he even participated in a revolutionary integration program sa kampo mismo ng NPA sa Mindanao in 2017. Pero, bawal natin i-red tag ang Kabataan Party List. Bawal, pati karapatan. Ang dami ng miyembro ng NPA na namatay na naging entry nila sa grupo ay ang organisasyon sa ilalim ng Makabayan Block. Lahat yan, hindi natin malalaman at mapag-uusapan man lang kung maisabatas ang criminalization ng red tag.